Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm back again with another video, but before then, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down there and turn up your bell notifications so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. If you have subscribed to my channel before, thank you and God bless you. So guys, the video I want to talk about now, this two couple where they Italy, where they live for Perugia for Italy, and the matter so make I still chook my mouth put, so make I still talk my own. So since they don't carry the matter come outside for social media, so we sef go still chook our own mouth put for inside. So this boy, I want to address what this boy talk first, because they say I no fit blame am. So person dey vex na different thing go dey come out for the person mouth, like where the boy dey talk for the background. Benin women no good oh. Make we no marry Benin women for Benin women wey dey Europe oh. Benin women this one oh. Benin people that one oh. They bad oh. My brother, wait, before you marry this girl, she first tell you say she be Calabar, she be Hausa before you marry her. Shey you first know say this lady na Benin before you agree to marry her? That time she no bad. Why I can't be seen am now when she don born 2 children for you? Na the girl come bad. Na Benin people come bad. Okay, if you be person wey wise, sorry to say, if you be man wey get sense, if you be man wey be say you dey think well, so your wife do you something, meaning say na the old Benin do you something now. So your wife do you something, e come mean say na the old Benin people na come do you something wey be say you come dey say Benin people no good oh, make una dey see Benin women dey run. My brother, no be so you talk. If your wife no good for you, other people wife good for them. Other people wey marry Benin, their wife good to them. So now you know where you and your wife will meet, where the woman no good for you. See the way you and your mother they disgrace the woman for outside, like una no get shame for eye. Mama and pikin no get shame for eye. You be say mother and son go come, mama and pikin go come dey fight pikin wife. They gather dey fight pikin wife. No, now which kind marriage be this? So this is not a bondage, because I hear where the this lady brother first call for a pied movie show, say now so you dey do every time. He even get picture where we say you don't feel the beat this woman. You get different proof to show, so you don't feel the beat am. Okay, for as this one dey, so the matter na come reach government and like Italian people hand now, where you know their new law, the matter come reach their hand, they see proof. So now come to say Benin women no good for the one way she can't do. Benin people no good now, but you want just carry, you and your mother want you finish the lady. You and your mother got a beat lady. See the way now una wound her for face. Now una say they see this get mad, they talk say Benin people no good. Benin people they bad. When they see Benin women they run no. When they see Benin women they run. Benin women no good. When you and your mother don't do wetin dey una hand finish. So that your mother, I want to talk to that this woman so we born the Evans. When you marry your own husband, now so your own husband mother with your husband gather come beat you. Now so when they not let you get rest for your own house, why e be say your pikin marry, you no go let the pikin get peace with your own family? You wey be the mother go still go dey disturb your pikin again. Now you want marry your pikin. Why do you know you marry your pikin? Why you no marry your pikin? You for marry her so that una go dey the same house. Since you no want your pikin come off where you dey, your pikin don't marry, he don't dey young with the family. So you go still come dey shook your mouth put for their family issue. They shook your mouth put for anything when it be say your pikin and the wife they do. They quarrel. Now you go come put your own mouth say why they quarrel. You go come still join your pikin, come dey fight your pikin wife. No be you supposed to separate them. When your pikin wife and your pikin go get matter, now you be the mother, you supposed to separate them. You supposed to, as in they encourage them, because you don't feel marry, or you know the husband house, you don't want me your children still marry. Which kind of mother-in-law you be? Which kind of mother-in-law you be? Okay, see, and I say Ogbalegbe, he come for the matter. Olokpa come for the matter now. Now on the shout now be say Benin women no go. See the one that condemn this woman mouth. See the one that do the woman face. Now so person do you for your own husband. Now so your husband and ma do you for your own house. Now so your husband and ma come dey suffocate you for your own husband house. Una go una pikin go marry. Now we be mother-in-law. Una pikin go marry. No go finish for that na pikin house. Some say mother-in-law no dey visit the pikin house so. If they visit, but don't be the one visit, you go there, go use there, take turn to your own house. Go there, go they put mouth for waiting no concern you. Go there, go they talk for waiting be say you're not supposed to talk with. When we say your picky wife go talk, who tell her make it talk? Now we use mouth to chop am. Which kind husband mama you be? Husband mama will be say you no fit advise your pikin. You no fit train your pikin well wey be say your pikin no dey be too much. You wey be say you be woman wey you be. Person do this thing to fellow woman like you. Person do am. Your pikin do be say person your pikin do am. You no dey there. When you go come, you go even quarrel with that your pikin well say see wetin your pikin do to woman, fellow woman, woman wey be say in love, he love the woman. So you know feel come like that come settle issue. But wetin you do, you join your pikin, they beat the girl. Even when children they cry safe, not even say consider the children when she don't able still born for and say okay, this woman don't born for also. No anyhow it be, and still my wife, and still my wife. Now we see take her like that because marriage get the part will be bitter leaf and part will be na sugar. Now the bitter leaf part now the many parts for marriage for any relationship. Now the bitter leaf part now the many parts the sugar part. So if your pikin and your wife get any matter, now you go there to the solve matter so they settle them. No be say you come dey worst everything will come dey worst. You come make everything dey worst. So they come reach the extent you come dey join your pikin. They join your pikin dey fight your pikin wife. Well, you know say the lady don born 2 children for you. Wey she never born, why una not tell her say she no good? Why una not tell her say Benin people no good? Make she carry her things, make she dey go. Una for tell her the time wey be say she never ever marry sef. Wey be say una never ever put money for her hair, una never ever do marriage. Una for just tell her say Benin people no good because I believe say na Benin she tell una say she be no be Hausa, no be Calabar, no be Igbo. But when I come visit na come say the Benin people no good o. Na Benin people dey chop person. Na Benin women for Europe no good, their head dey shake. Okay, I wan ask you, this woman, you get daughter. What about say Mark do your daughter like this? You will not say your daughter husband and the mother-in-law can't do your daughter like this. You can't see the picture. How you go feel? How you go feel as human being? How you go feel? Because I know say any woman will be say you no get sympathy. Any woman will go say this kind of thing no get sympathy. That one no be human being. If first you do your own pikin like this, you can't see your pikin, can't see your picture. You can't see the way your pikin face be. You as a mother, how you go feel? Because I did when we say this Epaidi Murphy, where the brother of this lady called Epaidi Murphy, the way the brother even take the sound for phone, so the thing they vex the brother. Because nobody you go see say you beat your sister or your cousin. Man, when we say you love, you born children, don't born 2 children for her. You can't beat your sister. You go come see her. Where we say go dey happy. You no go dey happy, and this one not be the first, not be the second. You dey always dey do one. Okay, una say Benin no good. Which tribe you can be Isha? Benin and Isha no be the same. No be the same Benin, no be the same Benin, no be the same Edo State. Una dey differentiate una self say Benin women no good. You no see Isha woman make you marry before you marry Benin. You no see Isha woman again. You no see another tribe again. But you say you choose to marry the lady. You choose to marry her because that time you go love her. Why you can't be seen at this Okoro time now? All this kind of thing they happen. Where we say even the Italian people they face their own problem for one side. Everybody they face situation now. una come see the carry una own una wan see call dey disturb government dey call police say na una fight pass. No marriage is perfect. No marriage for this life wey dey perfect. Everybody dey learn. Na school. Marriage, as if you dey married, if you dey with man, you be like say you dey school, because every day you dey learn new thing. Every day you go dey learn new one. So if you dey with man, no be wetin if you dey with man, no be how you take dey single. Everything go change. Everything go change because first you dey as single, you fit do anything you want, you fit go anywhere you want, you fit wake up anytime if you no dey work, you fit wake up anytime, you fit eat anytime, you fit baff anytime, you fit do anything anytime wey you want, wey you choose to. But immediately you don get partner and you come get pikin, all those chance no dey for you again as a woman. The same thing with man, because no be only woman dey take care of pikin, na man and woman, because no be only the woman born the pikin, the two of them take care of pikin. Una get two subjects, two pikin una dey take care of, una come see chance take come dey fight for the present of the children. The present of those children una dey fight. What about say that pikin now come start that the pikin come grow, the pikin come still dey use that kind method, the pikin go still marry, go still dey fight. Where you for to carry am? Papa and mama hand. Papa and mama dey fight every time for where children dey. Grandmother, the one wey call herself grandmother, dey there sef dey clap and dey follow pikin, dey even dey join pikin dey beat pikin wife. Which kind bad mother-in-law you be? Which kind bad mother-in-law you be? Okay, they say for your other son, wife, na you still go pursue am. Shebi that one na still bad person? Abi that one na still Benin wey Benin no good? So you go just choose to dey use your hand dey pursue your children wife. So you no wan make your children marry, make dem come marry you. You no wan make your children marry, make dem come marry you. Na you dey. You for just keep them for bondage dem for inside your house. If dem carry girl come, you say no, muna carry go back. You no go marry, you no go allow them marry. Why you can't allow your pikin marry finish, then you wan go destroy your pikin? Because I know say na you dey destroy their home destroyer. I know say na you bad mother-in-law. You can never see anything wey be say pikin, your as in husband and wife go do, wey be say if na the man mama go come outside come join the pikin, wey be say the man mama go come outside come join the pikin, come dey join pikin dey beat wife. If your pikin wife and your pikin get problem, na your pikin wife is supposed to join. Even though na your pikin do the pikin wife na dey wrong, you go join the wife first talk to your pikin. Na so dem dey do am. Me, I no know if you go carry your own bad character, because your own character dey smell. Your own bad character is smell pass that your daughter-in-law own. You say your daughter-in-law own no good, that one dey smell, but your own wey be the mother-in-law, you be agbaya. The wetin Yoruba dey call agbaya. A day wey be say you dey where person for quarrel, you no fit settle, you no fit separate fight, you no fit put everything in order. You come still come outside for social media. Shame on you, this woman. Shame on you. For you to join your pikin, they beat your pikin wife. Shame on you. They say Benin people no good. Okay, who come good now? Which one you want me your pikin come marry? Why you no carry Oyibo give your pikin? Because you don't sit here for Italy there. Why you no carry Oyibo give your pikin? Or if your pikin marry Oyibo, for example, fear go let you try this rubbish wey you try to black woman like this. Fear go let you try am. You this woman and you are dey talk to, fear go let you try am. Wetin you try to black, fear go let you try am to white. If your pikin marry white, fear go even let you enter the house. Now me I say like white people, I like their way. Once you will be Nigerian man, you marry a white woman, now the white woman go tell you whether your mother go come or not. And if your mother go come, now when you go and your mother must take appointment if go come. They can never, she can never ever allow your mother, the boy mother come safe. The boy mother must take appointment. And if you want come, go come once in a while. You no go use that place take turn to your own house. Because say your pikin marry black now, you see and finish. Your pikin house though. We know say your pikin house na your house, but you for limit time. Because once as man don't marry, the mother go face his life, because the man now don't get family. The woman when they marry na be the family. Now if they can't get pikin, they don't get big family, so they go dey face their own life. They go. You will be the mother go face your own life. They go. See you wanna tell this lady fine rich. Now come use and take this gwangwan the lady. This gwangwan na one boss that I mean I'm not saying wicked na be. Wicked people now na be. Wicked. Has this okoro evil they bother everybody safe? E no even bother you safe. Even to see your pikin and your wife they try stupid to quarrel. You as a mother, true, because of this okoro where they go everywhere, where they walk up and down, so we be say nobody know the doorway, the next doorway be say you go enter. Nobody know the next doorway go knock enter once. Una still get mind carry those children. Una the Jackie Chan for the children present. Una the Jackie Chan, una they do commando and actor and the heart film for the children present. Now go the heart film. Tell me if those children can't grow tomorrow, now can they heart that the same film one they act. Can they throw blow the one that they throw like actor. I be like a Rambo, I don't know how to call her. Can they throw blow? Where una go see that picky for carry na? Una go see those na Benin people character no good. Una go see those na Benin people character no good. When we say the picky don't see all una character finish, they don't store am for their heads. They don't package am for their heads. If they grow, then they'll take on start their own life. They una want make them understand say once woman do anything, they go use beat it follow. Fine, your wife fit do something. Your wife fit do wetin vex you. But at least if you want fight her, you need to. If you want quarrel with your wife, quarrel with her. Talk to her with mouth. Not be by use something they hit the woman. Na animal. Even animal sef, if you hit person animal, the way the person no want her, na problem go be for you and the person. The person no go take her likely with you now. You can't go hit person animal. The person no, the way you take hit her no like her. The person no go take her likely with you. No talk of say human be pikin. You and your mother they disgwangwan and they pound down like say na pad yam na they pound. Una all good for una well. Una always sabi dey pound people pikin. Una all good well. Una remember say una still get una own pikin. Somebody go still pound am. And una no talk. But una no talk if person pound una own pikin no, because wetin they say this life, if you do wetin no want person do you, no do person. And if you do person wetin you no want them do, they go do you back. So this life na pay back. They go pay you back. Your daughter, now you see get daughter wey be say dey with man. So that man now go want do your daughter back based on say you as a mother, you no fit control you no fit take care of your children home. Like you no fit even dey, you no fit make that lady dey proud say my mother-in-law na the best. You no fit. This kind one na people go dey see people now, maybe your pikin wey never marry now, woman come see now, see this kind thing. Who go come dey interest? Who go come get interest to marry your pikin? You go marry your children by yourself. Cause the one wey you stand put now for you to just dey marry your children. Now you dey for you to dey marry them, because I never see where person go come dey pursue pikin comot for pursue woman comot for pikin hand. This one make her two now. One don fair go. The second one na be this one. So we no know that this one go because husband and wife matter na small dem dey talk put. The rest maybe they fit go settle am later. But the one that take maltreat this woman, e no good. So next time, you this Evans, if you want talk, let her to talk. If you no get manner, if you no sabi dey talk, go learn. Make dem teach you how to dey talk, because you no get manner at all. Your mother not train, you not train una well. She not even get time, because as person na Italy, is still those okpominiki people for Italy that time. You no get time to take care of una well. That's when they behave like animal. Una dey treat woman like animal. So guys, now this video I say make I just come share with una small, make I share the way my own still beef my body, the way I still think am, because this thing no good. When I see this video, e no really dey nice. So guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. So bye bye.